Welcome to my Python challenge video series. Here I'm going to be going through some challenges that are designed for beginners to Python programming. The challenges have actually been taken from my course that I've just created. It's designed for absolute beginners to Python. So if you're interested in taking that, the link is in the description for this video. I'm not going to be teaching Python. I'm literally going to be showing you some challenges and working through some model answers. So let's take a look at challenge number 2. So challenge number 2 is called temperature converter. It says write a program that converts the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Take the temperature in Celsius as input. Print the corresponding temperature in Fahrenheit. Hint, the conversion formula is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. Okay, let's have a go at this challenge. So I know I need a variable called Celsius, and that's going to be a float. So I'm going to cast it as a float and get the input from the user. Say enter temperature in Celsius. That's the prompt. And I'm going to need another variable called Fahrenheit. And I'm going to carry out the calculation here. So Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9/5 and plus 32. And simply print out the result. So temperature in Fahrenheit is, and then in here we can simply insert the Fahrenheit variable here with the result. Okay, let's save and run this. 17.5 is my temperature in Celsius, and the conversion is 63.5 in Fahrenheit. So we have a simple temperature converter in Python.